Hi, welcome to the tutorial on how to get to Nearpod and join a Nearpod class. So, when you are in class, I will provide the 5-digit code in the chat. So when you are in Google Meet, you will go to the chat and I will be entering that at the bottom of my screen. My video is hiding it down here, and I would put the 5-digit code there. I should say the link to Nearpod. Here, let me just show you how that looks. I will put the link here, and you will see the link in the chat. So that is one way to get the link. The other way to get the link is in Google Classroom. You can go to your Google Classroom. Remember, go to Google Apps and click on your Google Classroom icon. Choose ELLC. Go to the Classwork tab and go to Class Links. And you will see Nearpod is right here. Once you open Nearpod, it will ask you for a 5-letter code, and you will click here to enter the 5-letter code that I will give you. If you are using a mobile device, you will need to install Nearpod on your mobile device. So, how do we do that? You go to your Play Store or your App Store, and mine is the arrow, and you type in Nearpod, Nearpod, and then you click on the correct entry. See if you can see that. All right, Nearpod. All right. And then you're going to click Install. And then when it is ready, you will click Open. And Nearpod is usually used horizontally. If you can see that. It's kind of dark, I know you can't really see it, but it's used horizontally. And you will see in the middle is the join code. And you will type in the join code. All right, so this tutorial shows you 3 ways to get the Nearpod link to join the Nearpod lesson. You can get that link in the chat in our Google Meet session. You can get that link in the Google Classroom, or you can install the app on your phone and use Nearpod on your phone.